Welcome back to Blue Collar Golf. After a long off season, a little bit of cubital tunnel and carpal tunnels surgery, we're starting off slow with a putter. So working on 5-footers, 10-footers. On the 5-footers, I want my stroke to be from inside toe to inside toe, 10-footers outside toe to outside toe. It's just all about getting the speed. If I can keep the 5-footers 70%, everything inside of that gets a little bit easier. Now that we're back to 10 feet, again I'm going to go from outside toe to outside toe, trying to keep the stroke the same. Now clearly 1 out of 10 is not very good, but we're mostly focused on speed, not even lining anything up. To another round, we're going to play every one of them, about half a ball out of the right edge, see how many we make. That one. All right, 2 out of 10 is not too much better, so we're gonna work on it a little more. The hot putt is coming from a fast transition from back here through. The biggest thing with any swing, just wait for the transition. It'll happen naturally. The last aspect of putting I kind of focus on is lag putting. I just kind of look at it as bowling. How hard do I have to roll the ball there? That's all it is. Typically what I like to do is pick a spot somewhere where I'm looking to move my hole to. So with my hole up here, uphill putt, that's going to put the hole past the cup and probably play it somewhere out about here. And it's purely just trying to get the speed down. Lag putting is the most important part of 3-putt avoidance. All you're looking to do is get the ball in a 3-foot circle. That 3-foot circle is your friend. It's probably going out to about here. So we basically don't want anything at or past the flag. That's way too firm. Look how far past the flag it is. That's 3 foot past the 3 foot. So you're back into a 6-footer. And that's where your 3-putts come from. Ideally, that's what you'd want out of a lag putt. Gives you a chance at going in, but it leaves you a nice, easy cleanup. The lips are not kind. Oh, you didn't hit that one. Get. Now, that's short, but it still leaves about 3 foot up the hill. So it's still a decent putt, but we can't have that in our line.
After getting a feel for the speed of the greens, I set up 10 random putts to finish. The goal is to make as many as possible while keeping my misses inside the friendship circle. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe to join me as I rebuild my game.
See if we can finish it with a make.